Hello everyone. So I have a pile here of 4 books that I got done within the last couple months, or 3 journals I should say, and a kit. These are all walkthroughs of these journals and kits for my Etsy store. So if you want to go on to My Hope Craft Shop on Etsy, you can and purchase these. So this is the Friends Forever kit, and it comes with a total of 6 mini journals, a yard of gauze that's been coffee dyed and also dyed with the same red food coloring, then 3 more of these. Then I have 4 of these really pretty roses, and I wasn't sure what to do with them. It was just a fun little thing that I found on YouTube, and it was a play, and so I have 4 of these yarn roses. They could be attached to pens and stuff like that. I did put a pen in there with a stylus piece. In there, I did put a cute little Crayola glitter glue on here. I just thought it'd be a fun idea. I have this lovely piece of ruffle that I thought matched good with this kit. Then I have this lovely little flip out, and I put these doily lace stickers inside it. Then this is the faux envelope with some washi stuff in it and a little piece of paper here that's a fold out piece of paper from the same journal kit, or not journal kit, scrapbooking kit. And I thought this was cool the way it was, so I kind of left it as is. And then in here we have another piece, easy to write on. And then I, of course, stuck a paper clip on it just to make sure it stays secure. And this lovely pieces of sticker I thought went well with this, so I figured add it in. Again, this is just a fun piece that I chose to make. Little mini journals and all that jazz. I just thought this would be fun for us to have for those who are still beginning and just want something to play with. And I just lay these right across here, and voila. And it's magnetic, so it stays closed. But again, I thought this was a nice, fun little idea. Next is the Beauty and the Beast journal here, and let's see if I can get that open. And again, it's just, I'm just going to do a quick flip through here and let you see all the little details I put into this. I swear this flips open. Yeah, it does. And it says, "You are capable of amazing things," on the side there. I just thought that was a fun little tidbit. And I put some sticker on this one, but I did try to keep it rather plain. This one has Cute little pocket with some tags in it. And it's an envelope, so you open it up. Actually, I should just show you. It's a cute little envelope here. And you open it up and there's a piece here for you to open up and use for writing space too. Oh, now it doesn't want to go back in. Oh no. There we go. And again, I like to go a little paperclip happy when I can. I have lots of paper clips. Eventually I'm not going to have lots of paper clips, but that's okay. And I just paper clipped it. Some homemade paper, or what I like to call it, recycled paper, because it isn't really homemade, but it isn't really not homemade either. It's just recycled. And I thought it went well with the theme here. I used lots of pink. Pinks and browns were really the palette here with this one. A little bit of blue here and there, but mostly pinks and blues. And browns. And this is writable, so you can write on it. And then my dyed papers. I think I dyed the papers around the same time I dyed that gauze. But I did try to keep it plain type. This is a hidden bookmark, or hidden paperclip is what a lot of people call it. I just made it and then clipped it on. I really liked doing this one. And then there's a mini journal inside. And I did try to keep it rather flat so it wasn't going to cause too much of an issue within the journal. I try to keep things as flat as possible. So we have this, and then we have this lovely piece, which is actually packaging. But just a lovely little spot to do these things. And then this flips open and more writing space. So again, I had a lot of fun with this journal and everything, and it was done. I got it done pretty well this week, in the last couple weeks. Sorry if you hear the kids. They're going to be talking on and off. They're kids. Alright. This is the Use It or Lose It journal that we did together. And again, I just did everything I could. It's a mix match of everything I make. Nothing too big or too small, just randoms. Stuff that I've kept for a while, stuff that I wasn't sure what I was going to do with, and I just added it in. I had a lot of fun with this. Again, it was just play. A lot of these pieces I was going to do something with it or had a journal planned, and then it ended up not fitting into the journal. So that's where this came in, and I just love it. So I hope you enjoy this one. It is called Use It or Lose It Journal in my Etsy shop. Last journal is my coffee journal that I worked really hard on. It has 4 signatures with it. So this is a rather big journal for me personally to make. So there are going to be quite a few pages that are just going to be plainer than normal, and I tried to keep it as neutral as possible. I do know that. I did not try to go too extravagant with this one because it's been a while since I made a big journal like this. I used some wallpaper. Again, a lot of interesting, like this, you'd think you could feel it, honestly, this type of scrapbooking paper. And I want to say I used a piece that, I did add these from, or did make a video on TikTok and for Instagram on family, or not family, on Facebook. Sorry, I blinked out there. This would be, this used to be Antique Paperie. When there was the quarantine from COVID at first, or the lockdowns, when the lockdowns happened with COVID, this was what she called Quarantine Bundle, because at the time that's what we called it. And then our definitions and everything else changed. So yeah, but I love her work. She now has a different Etsy store. I completely forgot what it's called, but I had a lot of fun with this. I love how this paper turned out. Oh my goodness, just gorgeousness. It was just a fold out envelope. I did use a lot of this paper, I now realize, but oh well, at least I'm using it. Again, I try to use my stuff as much as I can. So at the end of the next few journals that we're working on, I will be making a Use It or Lose It journal off of that. So again, I had a lot of fun with this, and this reminds me of fall, honestly, the coffee smell and everything. So hence why I'm kind of selling it this month, is because I really think this goes with the fall theme quite a bit. And again, I had a lot of fun with this. This was a misprint that I just dyed over. And my dyes, honestly, is food coloring. I normally do food coloring for my red dye, coffee dye, or tea dye quite a bit. That's what I normally use. And then these are some scrap strips. And then I have this owl here. And this fold out, which I'm starting to think I really don't like this part. So I'm going to take it off, because whoever gets this is going to get annoyed with this rather fast, if I am. I know the person well. So we'll just stick that off to the side for right now. Or actually, you know what I'll do? I'll do this. Sometimes when life gives you lemon, you make lemonade. So I did not make this as alligator mouthed as I normally would, but I was trying not to with this one. And when I did the video, I did do it while I was camping, so if you're wondering why different background, that's why. But I wanted to, again, just do a walkthrough video of all the different pieces that I made, and I completely tied this wrong, but that's okay. You don't have to tie it. You don't have to have a tie or a closure for every single journal. I just did this as a simple thing. So again, all of these journals are in my Etsy store, including the journal kit. The journal bundle or kit. All of them are in my Etsy store, and I hope you will enjoy all of these and have a great day or night. Bye!